Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if you want your iPhone's brightness to increase beyond the maximum, or if it's too low if even when the slider is turned all the way up. So the first thing you need to do is go to the accessibility settings. Here tap on display and text size. In this menu, scroll down and make sure the auto brightness toggle is turned off. This will prevent your iPhone from adjusting the brightness automatically, so when you're outdoor or moving in between different lighting conditions, your iPhone won't adjust the brightness. Another thing you need to do is disable this reduce white point option. When this is turned on, your iPhone might reduce the intensity of the bright colors and the display may seem darker, so make sure this is turned off. Once you do this, your iPhone's brightness should look better than before. If it does not help, the last thing you can try is enable this true tone option. You'll find this in the display and brightness settings menu. Your display's colors might change a bit, so if you don't like it, you can just go ahead and turn it back off. The last thing I would suggest is making sure your iPhone is not on battery saver mode, so the low power mode should be turned off. Once you do all this, your iPhone screen brightness should appear better than before. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below.